Physical properties of amines. Boiling point of amines. Both primary and secondary amines can form intermolecular hydrogen bonds between molecules, but tertiary amines cannot form hydrogen bonds to each other. If you notice, primary amine has hydrogen, secondary amine also has hydrogen attached to the N atom. But tertiary amine has no hydrogen attached to the N atom at all. That's why there's no hydrogen bonds between tertiary amines. That makes the boiling point of primary amine is higher than the boiling point of the secondary amine, and the boiling point of primary and secondary amines are higher than the boiling point of tertiary amine. The reason why primary amine has higher boiling point than secondary amines because primary amine can form more hydrogen bonds than secondary amine. One amine molecule can form 3 hydrogen bonds with other amines. In secondary amine, one secondary amine molecule can only form 2 hydrogen bonds with other secondary amines or other amines. So that's why primary amines has higher boiling point than secondary amines. Amines have higher boiling points than alkanes or haloalkanes of comparable molecular weight, means when the weight is about the same due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding between molecules. Alkanes and haloalkanes do not have hydrogen bond between them, but amines have hydrogen bond between the molecules. That's why amines have higher boiling point. But amines have lower boiling points than alcohol or carboxylic acid of comparable molecular weight because hydrogen bond in amine is weaker than the hydrogen bond in alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is due to nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen. In amine, there is nitrogen atom NH, but in carboxylic acid and alcohol, there are OH groups. So, N nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen. Therefore, the NH bond in amine is less polar than OH bond in alcohol or carboxylic acid. This makes the OH bond in alcohol and carboxylic acid, the hydrogen bond in alcohol and carboxylic acid, stronger than the hydrogen bond in amine because the presence of nitrogen, which is less electronegative than oxygen. Solubility of amines in water. All amines having less than or equal to 5 carbon are water soluble because they can form hydrogen bond with water. Amines having more than 5 carbon, for example 6 and above, are water insoluble because the alkyl portion or the hydrophobic area is too large to dissolve in water, the carbon part. Hydrophobic area is the carbon part in the amines. So this is primary amine. Primary amine can form more hydrogen bond with water molecules. If you compare with tertiary amines can form hydrogen bond with water as well, but it can form less number of hydrogen bond if you compare with primary amines or secondary amines. Amines are soluble in organic solvent such as alkane, alcohol, and ether regardless of size because they have the carbon part. Amines have the carbon part. This is due to the formation of the van der Waals forces or London forces between the carbon part in amines and the carbon part in organic solvent molecules.